This is how to enable Gemini on your Android phone on a long press of the power button to show Gemini instead of the power menu. If you want to show the Gemini AI assistant instead of the power menu on your Android phone, this is the way to change it. So open the settings app and then scroll all the way down to System here. And under System, you have a few options. On the System settings, look for Gestures. Tap on Gestures. And here you have lots of settings, but what you want to search for is press and hold power button. Tap on this menu and then you see the option to change from power menu to digital assistant. You can even adjust the duration for this. And one extra setting I want to show you also, we go back now, back to the main page of the settings, and you want to go and check the Google settings to make sure you have Gemini enabled. Tap on all services. On the Google services settings page, tap on all services, then scroll down all the way to search assistant and voice, this one. Here you have many settings for Google Assistant and Gemini. So tap on Gemini here and you want to make sure that the digital assistant from Google setting is set to Gemini and it's not set to off for Google Assistant if you want to use Gemini. Now when I press the power button, Gemini is showing and it's reading the instruction. So I could ask for the weather. How is the weather today in Larnaca, Cyprus, and tomorrow and the weekend?
In Larnaca, the forecast is around 26 degrees and clear. Currently, it's 29 and clear.
How about tomorrow?
In Larnaca, it'll be sunny, with a high of 34 and a low of 25.
This is how you enable Gemini on the power button to show so you can use it anytime you like. Thanks for watching.